Hey, this is Steven from Legit PC, and today we're going to do a review of a utility for Windows and I believe also Macintosh, but we're worried about Windows right now. So this is called CCleaner. It used to be called Crap Cleaner, and this is a utility to clean your to get rid of unwanted files. So it could clean your cookies, your temporarily downloaded files and installed files. You could get rid of programs using other tools, as well as cleaning up your registry and looking for registry errors. So this particular version is very small, very small utility, but very powerful. This is freeware. You can get it for free at Pyroform, I believe. It's this logo right here. You just type in CCleaner on their into Google, and you'll find it, and you'll find the latest version. This is the latest version, version 4.09.4471. I have the 64-bit version, and it'll say your type of Windows here, and it'll say everything that's in your PC right here, which you could see. This is the rig I'm running right now. So first we're on the cleaner part. In this part you could clean most of the stuff. You could clean all of the stuff from your Internet Explorer or whatever, as well as your other system files. It's more than just Internet Explorer. You could go in here and clean out, pick into applications and pick which ones you want to delete, which ones you want to keep, things like that. And then you could hit Analyze to see how much. And after you do this, it permanently deletes it and gets rid of it forever. So you could hit, like, Analyze. And there you go. There's 1.5 gigs. And then so I would just hit Run Cleaner, and it will delete it. Just like so, and it's all gone from Internet Explorer, etc., etc. Now, you could also just hit Run Cleaner and go straight through and finish it, as well as you could also use the wipe free space, but in this case I have SSDs, and that's not very good for SSDs. It's good for hard drives. And you can see all of the files and all the stuff that deleted and it permanently deleted. It's not in your recycle bin. It is gone. Okay, now you have, for example, registries here, and you could pick which registry problems you want to look for, and then you just hit Scan for Issues, and it will come up with all the problems here, and then you just hit Fix Selected Issues, and then you could back up your registry and fix all the selected issues. So if something messes up, you could go back and re-back up your registry. Just double click it and set it back to what it was before. So now we're all good with the registry and everything's all cleaned 116 issues. It's going to speed up your PC and all that stuff. Then you have, the uninstalling programs, change what programs you want. On the startup, you hit disable here, disable or delete, and it will not start it up. You have, Internet Explorer and all that type of stuff, which I should probably just, get rid of all that because I use Google Chrome. That might be a good idea. Okay, so then you have the file finder, which you could use to look for a file, I guess. Search for duplicate files. That's a good deal. I haven't used it I haven't really used it yet, but I should probably use that to look for duplicate files. Here's the system restore, where you could restore your system to the latest. And here's the drive wiper. Safely wipe your drive, or you could use it to wipe free space, or you could use it to wipe entire drive. So if you want to get rid of a drive, or you want to reinstall Windows on a drive, or you had Windows on the drive and you want to wipe another drive to use as a data drive, then you could use this. You could go all the way up to very complex overwrite, 35 passes of number randomization to get it all cleaned out. And you see, you could pick whichever one you want here of my drives. I have 4 drives in the system, so I could pick any one of those. So here you have the settings. I must have hit something that changed the language. That's not good right here. Okay, there we go. it went into that slider for some reason. So you can get it to run when the computer starts. Normal file deletion. You could wipe free space drives, cookies, which cookies you want to keep, which cookies you want to get rid of. Include, which ones you want to remove, exclude, advanced. Alright, minimize system tray, all that kind of stuff, and then restore defaults. So of course, if you want to, you can expand it. I think it's like $34, $35, and you get, you know, a new pro version of CCleaner. And then here, so it's basically for the cleaner and the registry. Also, if you do the uninstall, you could uninstall multiple you can uninstall multiple programs at the same time. Unlike Windows uninstall, where you can only uninstall one at a time and the previous one has to finish. This way you could uninstall multiple programs at the same time. So I use this instead of the Microsoft Windows 8 uninstall or the Windows 7 or Windows Vista or whatever. So it's really great. I have this as well as a defragmenter, especially on my laptop. Don't use the defragmenter much on this PC because I have SSDs, but I'll also go over that one as well. But this is very important, and I have this on every system as part of my utility toolchain. And you see, if you're on top of it, you could get your computer very nice and clean and get it to run quickly by uninstalling programs and removing programs from your startup folder and things like that. So this is Steven, and this is my review of CCleaner. Great program. Highly recommend it. Have it in your tool chain, your utility tool chain, and it will not disappoint, I promise. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe for other videos like it, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.